I'm going to right edge right here. So I did not trade it. I do not know it. I'm just going to just go here and here. Okay, we're going to right edge this, baby. Here it is. There we go. Okay. So now it's 950. We see the reversal. So it's coming down. And I know the urge and desire that you have to trade is off the charts right now. Like you want to take this trade to the downside so badly. Okay, but you're not going to do that. This is something that Zlatko knows really well because I've heard him comment about this. He's not going to take this trade to the downside. Now, if on this 940 shift Eastern time, if it continues and it actually breaks through the pre-market low on the 5-minute chart, he will trade that to the downside. He will jump on that train to the downside. Right, Zlatko? You're still here? Birdman too, right? Usually there's a reversal. But if it breaks the pre-market low like this, that's a trade to the downside, right? Yes and yes. Okay, cool. But we're not there yet. And because you're a beginner trader with $1,000 account, just trading this small, let me get the entry. The only thing on your mind right here, COG, is when's the next shift, right? You're going to wait for it. Now, you know it's coming up because 10 o'clock is a time of day zone. For you, it's 7, but for the rest of us, 10, right? You're waiting for the next shift. Everyone with me? She's with me. You're with me. Everybody's with me. Great. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to watch. Let's just watch. Time is this here? This is 9 o'clock. Let's keep going. Here we go. This is 9. Here we go. Down. 944, 946, 948, 952, 954. Now look what's happening here. So at 954 on the 2-minute IWM, what happened? Price just hit a level, right? So COG, what level is this that it just hit? Right here. I'm looking at this right edge right here. We just hit a level here. Pre-market low. Not only is it the pre-market low, but this is green. You know what that green means on top of the yellow? That means it's the day before buy. No, what that means, yeah. Actually, this, you're right. Yeah, you're right. No, it's not yesterday's. I thought it was yesterday's close. It's not. Forgive me. It was a buy. It was a buy line right here. So this is this is the green bar, red bar, yellow bar. That's what this was. This was a bar here, and then it became that. So you're right. It's a buy bar. But the main thing is it's the pre-market low. So that's something. Something's a brewing. No, you didn't throw a wrench. You are absolutely correct in what you just said. So here we are. 545. Let's go another bar. Boom. Okay. Still coming down. Look at the cycle indicator. Cycle indicator is still coming down. RSI, whatever it is. Look at the dots here. Right. Dots are still coming down. We're in a bit of a squeeze here on the 5. Price is still coming down. I'm waiting for the shift. Am I not? Boom. Okay. Now we got 956. 958, 10 o'clock. Okay, we're at 10 o'clock here. Something's a brewing. So look at this. At 9:55, we hit the pre-market low. Did we break it? COG? 2 candles? Nope. What about the third candle? It's now above it. What happened to the cycle indicator here? 10:05. Are we starting to get indications that it's time to do something here? Start it up. Okay, so let's just focus on the 2-minute chart, and then I'll come back to the 5-minute for confirmation, okay? Just focus right here on the 2-minute. Because this is where we're going to get we already have time of day zone. Check. Now I'm looking for price action. So I need a reversal candle, right? Yep, we need that first. Boom. Well, I got one, didn't I? Did I not get a reversal candle? Whoop. Not only that, I got a moving average cross. Whoop. Yes, I did. So I got action here. So I have a reversal candle, I have a confirmation candle, and I got a moving average cross of the 3 and the 5. Price is now above the 3 and the 5. Whoops, moving average. Price is above the 3 and the 5. And I'm getting cycle indicator is turning. And I got the RSI just went green, which means it went above the 50%. And I'm starting to get blue dots, right? So literally, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to take this trade. But I want to just confirm. I need confirmation, and I would love to get a pullback. This is at 10:02. So here it's right in the middle of this candle. So you could say, maybe you could say yes here. I don't know. I think I want to wait for one more piece of confirmation, right? So 5 minutes later, boom, look at that. So during the 5-minute chart, we get the blue dots, we go green, the trajectory turns up, and I get the moving average cross here on the 5-minute chart, somewhere between, 10:05 and whatever. So I need a little bit of a pullback entry, right? So check this out, guys. We open here, we come up here, we go down here, and then we finish here. So we do get a pullback candle. Not only that, you get that, and you get that. That's the pullback. Everybody see it? Pullback on the RSI, pullback on the dots, pullback on here, but the structure hasn't broken. You're still good here. You're still good, 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 but you got the little pullback, right? This is your entry. Does everybody see the entry right here? I'll put a yellow dot. That's your pullback. Boom, boom, boom. Shift, confirmation, pullback, confirm, 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 blue dot, confirm, pullback, pullback, everything good. COG, you see the entry? Okay, so you're in. So when I look right here, where are we? We're 192 and change. I'm going to probably look at the 192 half call. Maybe the 193. Doesn't really matter which one you buy. One of them's going to be probably 60 cents, and the other one's probably going to be 80 cents. 65 cents and 80 cents. It won't really matter, right? So you're going to get one contract right here. Boy, where's Ego when you need him? And now the rule is on. Level or yellow from this point. Yes, COG? It's just like taking candy from a baby. Watch. You're going to get out if you hit the level. Yeah, I totally agree with what you just said. I don't focus on the delta either. If I like the price, I get it. If it's 80 cents, yeah, I like 80 cents. I'll get 50 of them. Whatever it is, Watch. Boom. 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 We know we're in a shift. Boom. Wait for it. Guys, watch this chart right here on the right. Look at the movement here. What happened? See this right here? Yellow bar. We wait for yellow to turn red, or we can just get out at yellow. but that's fine. Exit. That's it. You're out of the trade at 193.20. So you basically moved just about, I would say just about $1. So if you moved almost $1, and let's just say it was a delta of 40, you just made $40. If it cost you 60 and you just made 40, that's pretty darn good, isn't it? Isn't that like a 60-something% profit? Out. That's the end of the conversation. If you're brand new, that's it.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comments section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.